All right, I'm heading up to the last Pac-12 game at Rice Eccles Stadium ever. So we're gonna document it. Got my Ute Red Lucky Vans. Haley's already there, and appropriately, Cold Rain and Snow is on by the Grateful Dead. And there's snow out there. Toodaloo. Okay, we have a very important stop here at the 7-Eleven for beer.
He's ready for some football.
I'm filming the last Pac-12 game I'm going to ever, and you're part of it.
Hey, thanks, man. Let's go, you.
Let's do it.
Utah coming with their backside.
I think they should win. Should I get one more beer?
I think so, man. Right. The last Pac-12, baby. Let's live it to the fullest.
All right, let's do it. Backpack loaded. We're ready to ride.
Okay, this is a sights and sounds video of the very last Pac-12 football game that University of Utah will play. They're playing the Colorado Buffaloes. We were at the very first Pac-12 game, which was at the Coliseum versus USC on September 10th, 2011. Haley and I have seen every Pac-12 game that Utah's played in, either in person or on TV.
Where's campus?
The campus was built around that granite intrusion right there, I think. Okay, this is the lower portion of the tailgate lot. This is where our tailgate is. And right now I'm locking up my bike to this rail. It's parked at every home game there.
Okay, there's our spot.
Tailgate spot's right by the stadium.
Hi. Snow day.
That's my sweatshirt.
I told you. This guy's got a good gig. There's the Buffs headquarters. Heading over to this tailgate lot.
Rice Eccles Stadium.
Hey, there's Dan.
Hey! You made the video!
Hey, yay!
Hey.
What are your thoughts on the last Pac-12 game ever? Ever Rice Eccles. Sucks.
Fuck USC.
Fucking sucks, yep.
USC.
Yeah, they started the whole thing.
Yep.
Fire Larry Scott.
Fire truck's here. Danielle, aren't you an alumni? Where are you? Hey, you guys know Danielle Faith?
Pardon me?
Do you know Danielle Faith?
No.
She's a Buffalo graduate.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I did your face. I don't know if that's who you are.
Wow, smells like the Torrance Beach parking lot.
I'm back to our tailgate area, looking for Lola. That's where we hang out.
Here, one more game. Go Utes! Go Utes!
Oh, that's so good.
still rolling.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because my sister's
Guys wearing shorts.
I'm envious. However, when it's below freezing, I opt for pants, usually.
Hey, do you guys know Honey Faith? Yes, of course. Yeah. Do you guys know Honey Faith?
Honey Faith. Yeah.
Honey Faith? Yes.
Yes.
Hey Scott, this beer's for you. I know you owe me one, but this is a 24-ounce Coors banquet beer because Utah kicked Colorado's ass. That should have happened. And go Utes.
We're not going. We'll see ya. We'll see you at the house.
You're not going?
No.
Okay. Okay, Pac-12's over. I'm riding my bike home. Kind of sad. I'm kind of pissed. That's it. Anyway, enjoy the ride home. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. I don't think I'm gonna stop the whole way home. Gloves are on. Butt ass cold. Here we go. This guy's still on the ground. This guy's still on the ground. Burning a red light. Here we are, 3rd Avenue. Dang, too much traffic.